Hey everyone, yeah, Jonathan from SkyTrade. I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about air rights as assets. So air rights are the legal right to use and control airspace above physical infrastructure. And what we've done is tokenize them. And the reason for tokenizing them, there's a number of use cases for air rights, and I'll kind of run through those. One of the big ones is drone industry, to unlock that, both public and private. So when we talk about air rights, what we're talking about is the space up to 500 feet above property and land. So in the US, that's owned by the individual property owner, also in the UK. And we effectively aggregate that into our marketplace. We also work with municipalities who are looking to lease the air rights above their highways for drone industries. So there's physical infrastructure as well attached to the air rights so that you can put nodes, drone pads, vertiports, etc. We also work with that. Upzoning, so this is like traditional in New York, for example, where you can buy and sell air rights and transfer them in certain districts. The vacancy rate is 1.4% in New York, so you need to build up. Protecting views and advertising boards, so you can purchase air rights, and you can actually do that through our marketplace to protect views of, let's say, lakes, or a use case in New York, again, is protecting the view of the Empire State, which adds value to your condo. It increases capital valuations, and also from our side, it brings crypto in. So there's quite a lot of people who've signed up to our trading engine, mainly from crypto. So there's a trading problem, though, with air rights. It's very manual, it's very opaque, it's illiquid, it's underutilized, and you can't get drone access anywhere. So you can't particularly go into a Web 2 environment and say, hey, I have $100,000, I want to buy air rights. You can't do it. You need to know someone who knows someone, and they need to put you in touch. Bunch of intermediaries, so we remove that. The solution is coordination of the users, so a marketplace, quicker digital on-chain transactions. As I said, there's no existing Web 2 version of this, so we kind of leapfrog straight into the infrastructure that's needed for this. There's a higher clearing price, so when we talk to municipalities, again in New York, and we talk to the mayor's office here, they're looking to utilize the airspace above religious institutions who actually need the funds, and this gives a higher clearing price. Brings liquidity and drone tracking. So in order to track the drones, we've also built an app that intercepts the signals so that we can effectively cross-reference the air rights with the drones. So as I said, our approach is tokenized air rights. It's pretty simple from our point of view, from a user perspective anyway. Go to our marketplace, you claim the air rights, we verify the air rights, we go through a legal check to make sure they are yours, we go through KYC to make sure you are you. For larger clients that we've brought in, real estate companies, we go through just their database. We have an auction house for trading. It's invitation only at the moment. You can again go to our website now, you can sign up and we can invite you into that. We have an air rights evaluator. So this is kind of an interesting tool we used. We work with Parcel, if anyone knows that project, to pull in their data. And we have a bunch of other data sources so that when someone puts in their address anywhere in the US, it spits out an estimated valuation for their air rights, plus estimated passive income if you allow it for drone use. Drone tracking app, as I said, we have that incentivizes the data. So basically, if you download the drone tracking app, we know who you are, you connect a wallet into it. For that data, we incentivize you. That data is very valuable to us. It means we can charge the drone company. And we have a rental engine. So you can go in right now. It's kind of a version of it. You can go in and you can actually rent airspace right now on our marketplace. But the way we're building that with municipalities is to actually do it contiguous. So we're working with one particular state at the moment who recently changed their laws, allowing them to lease the air rights above their highways, and we're helping them manage that. One of the things they're looking to do is lease these out long-term, like spectrum sales, and then have them sublet out, and we're the payment rails for that. That's pretty much it. That's us. I've just put a few little shots here of the actual product. You guys can go in and have a look. There's the drone tracking app as well. We're building a hardware node as well for these, so it's going to come off Android and it's going to go into a hardware node. And that's us. Yeah, have a look at my QR code, and anyone want to talk, happy to talk afterwards. Thanks.